Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a lot to show you. I bought a few new things. There's a highly requested video. Everybody wanted me to try the Maybelline Sky High Mascara, so I'll be using that in today's video. My favorite lipsticks, the Maybelline Superstay Ink. This color is new to me and it's number 175, called Ring Leader. So I'll be putting that on, as you can see. And then I topped it off. I don't usually, but I wanted to, with the Maybelline Lifter Gloss, the new gloss they have, just to give it a little pop, make it look luscious, make them look voluptuous. What else did I get? Oh yeah, so Benefit's cream highlighter. I got this liquid sparkly eyeliner from QO Beauty. Also their Stay Put eyeshadow, it's like a cream eyeshadow. I'll be putting that on today. Setting my foundation with Rimmel Stay Matte pressed powder. It says it gives you an extra 5 hours. I'll be the judge of that. What else? Oh yeah, and my sister-in-law got me a little present. It's a foundation brush. Apparently it's going viral on the internet. So at first I didn't really like it, but now I've been using it every single day and I actually really like it. So it makes my makeup go on like butter. So merci Angèle pour le cadeau. And what else? My favorite eyeliner that I've always been using. I don't know if I've raved about it yet, but it's Maybelline Hyper Easy Black Liquid Eyeliner. These little brushes on Amazon. They're by Wet n Wild. It cost me 94 cents, so I bought a few. I think that's all for today. So I hope you like this video. It's a makeup tutorial, full face. Let me know in the comments if you even tried the Maybelline mascara, if you were able to get it, because it was very hard to get. I finally found it. So very exciting, and it does a very nice job on the old mascara. Been using that for a while. All right, that's it from me. I hope you like watching me do my makeup. Enjoy.
Dun.